Hello guys, I welcome all of you to my YouTube channel Basics of Computer Engineering. In our previous video, we have seen about the concept of structures. Today we will see a question on the iteration concept using structures. So our question is to declare a structure in which we will be able to hold the information about two library books. Our question simply means that user has to enter the same details about two different books simultaneously. So let us see how to do it. We will start our program with hash include angular bracket stdio.h. Then we will write hash include angular bracket conio.h. Then we will write the keyword struct and here we will name this as library. Then we will make use of opening curly braces to declare the parameters of the structure library. Our first parameter will be name of the book, which will be of character data type and it can hold up to 80 characters in it. Our second parameter will be of accession number. This will be of integer data type. Our third parameter will be the author name. It will again be of character data type and it can also hold up to 80 characters in it. Our fourth parameter will be of cost and this will be of float data type. Then we will make use of closing curly braces to close the struct block followed with a semicolon. Now we will start our actual program. So we will write void space main parenthesis and then we will make use of opening curly braces to start the program. Next I will write the word struct, then I will write the variable name which is library and then I am declaring a local variable over here which is s. So this will be used to access each and every parameter of the struct library. Now to make use of for loop, we need to declare another variable which is a equal to 0 and this will be of integer data type. In the next line, we will start our for loop and in parenthesis, we will write a equal to 0 semicolon, a is less than 2 semicolon, a plus plus. Then we will start the for block by making use of opening curly braces. Here we will make use of the word printf and then we will display a text message asking the user to enter the name of the book. Then by making use of scanf statement, we will accept the user input. Guys, see the format in which I am writing the word scanf and after that what I am writing in parenthesis. This is the most important step of our program. After that again we will use the word printf and now we will display a text message asking the user to enter the accession number of the book. Then by making use of scanf statement again we will accept the user input. Then we will again make use of printf statement to display a text message on the screen asking the user to enter the author name. Then by making use of scanf statement we will accept the user input. Again we will make use of printf statement and now we will display a text message asking the user to enter the cost of the book. And by making use of scanf statement we will accept the user input. After the user has entered the details of the books, then we will display all the information one by making use of printf statement. At first we will write entered name of the book is %s and then we will access that member. Then again we will write the word printf and in parenthesis we will write entered accession number is %d and then we will access that member from the struct. After that again we will make use of printf statement and this time we will write entered author name is %s and then we will access that member from library variable. Then again we will write the word printf and this time we will write entered cost of the book is %f. Then we will access that member from library variable. To end our program, we will be making use of two closing curly braces. Now we will compile our program. So let's click on run button. In our program, one error has been displayed. In 20th line, while accepting the user input, we haven't mentioned the local variable name s over there. So let us write it and rerun the program. Now the output is clearly visible on the screen. So guys, that error I had made purposely so that you all can be conscious while writing and accessing the members. Now on the output screen, firstly we have to enter the details of our book A. So name of the book has been entered, accession number has been entered, name of the author has been entered and cost of the book has been entered. After that the entered information by us has been shown over there. Guys, we can see that enter name of the book. So here this is being displayed for the second book, but this is so close to our first details. So let us change it by shifting the content to the next line. This will be done by making use of 2/n in the 17th line under the printf statement. Now let us recompile our code and check the output. We will have to enter the details of the first book again, and then we will enter the details of the second book. In this way, we have actually learned that how to enter same details about several persons or several things at one time. After the completion of this code, we have reached the end of our video. So guys, thank you for watching the video. Do share it, like it.